In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save your designs as a JPEG here in Canva. Now, this is really simple to do, and once that you have your design all created and you want to download as a JPEG, we want to come up to here to the right hand side and click on Share. Once we click on Share, we want to come down to Download just here. We want to click on that, and then we want to click where it says PNG and then go through until you find JPEG. This is usually the first one on the list. Now if we click on here, we have a few different settings, and if you have a Canva Pro account, we can play around with the size. Now to know if a feature is a Pro feature, you can simply look next to it, and if it has a little crown just like this, that means it's a Pro. Now if you have the Pro account, we can play around with the size by increasing it. Now for best results, you just want to keep this on 1. We can also play around with the quality as well by dragging the bar and increasing or decreasing. Now for this example, we're just going to keep these on the settings, the preset settings, and then all you want to do is click download. Once you've clicked downloaded, you then have your image saved as a JPEG, and that's what it's going to look like just here. And we can tell that it's a JPEG because at the end of the name of what you've named your designs, there will be a JPG, which means that it's a JPEG. So that's how to save your designs as a JPEG here in Canva. Now for more bite-sized Canva tutorials just like this, then click right here and watch this playlist.